Her name. That's a cute name.
Oh, this is so cute.
I can get you.
Jade. Say hi, Krista.
I need some barbecue sauce. Can you turn that shit off right now before I kick your ass? You don't have to leave me out of that video. I will shove my foot so far up your ass.
Okay.
Seriously.
Okay.
What? Put in my hair. Huh?
Why is that on you?
So then I go like that and put my hair up. Like that.
Jade, you look freaking mental.
Stretch your legs out. Press the leg. Oh, you have a dancer. Ow. High five?
Alright. Go make some dinner.
Oh, bye.
You can stay if you want.
He's so cute.
You were asking for Dominic for the last 2 days. Turn it off right
I'm not
now.
pointing it at you.